Obviously, there's a lot of live events going on, and a lot of them gather at certain events, part of an association that hosts a yearly event. You want to be there. You want to be there in person. You want to be networking. There's also online networking, right? There's a lot of live webinars that happen nowadays too, where you can go in there and then sometimes they'll have breakout rooms and you can network with who's there. That's smart as well. But I wouldn't take away the live meeting somebody in person. I still feel is the most powerful tool for raising equity. Now, obviously, it's a little hard to scale that in a sense. You can only be at so many events and you can only speak to so many people. But I think it needs to be part of the tools you use to raise equity. You want to make sure that you do this strategically as well. So it's not all about the quantity of people you meet. It's more about the quality, right? So you go to an event and you're literally just going around passing out your business card, passing out your business card, and you passed out 300 business cards, right? And you feel good about it. But you didn't connect with anybody. Those business cards are going to just end up on the side there. Two ways to do this, right? The best way to me is do some research, figure out who's going to be there, figure out who you want to talk to, learn some stuff about that, right? Be prepared. And then when you show up there, you've got a list of who you want to meet and you attack it. You go out there, you find the person and you meet them and you connect with them. You listen to them. You try to find out how you can help. That's one thing I've learned throughout the years. Don't think about how they can help you, right? Listen to them and see what they are needing and then bring that to them. And then at that point, that's when you really start making those relationships and connections. And eventually, if you're systemizing this, you're going to be in front of them constantly. You're going to be nurturing them. They're going to be thinking about you for sure.